Are you ready to start your wealth-building journey? Investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Investing is putting your money to work for you. It can help grow your wealth over time. The earlier you start, the more you can earn. Let's break down investing into simple steps. First, understand your goals. What do you want to achieve? Next, learn to budget. Savings are the foundation for investing. Once you've saved money, explore investment types. Stocks are shares in companies. Bonds are loans to companies or governments. Real estate is property that can generate income. Now, let's look at how to choose investments. Diversification is key. Don't put all your money in one place. Spread your investments across different areas. Consider your risk tolerance. This means how comfortable you are with losing money. Higher risk can lead to higher rewards, but it's not for everyone. Start small. You don't need thousands to begin. Look into apps that allow minimal investment. Many platforms offer user-friendly services for beginners. Throughout your investing journey, keep learning. Follow market news. Join investment forums. Stay informed about your investments. For example, imagine you invest $100 a month. After 10 years, you could have over $12,000. This is assuming a 5% annual return. Remember, investing is a long-term commitment. Patience is essential. Market fluctuations will happen, but don't panic. Stay focused on your goals. To summarize, investing helps grow wealth over time. Determine your goals, budget, and choose investments wisely. Stay diversified and keep learning. Now it's time for action. Set up a budget and start saving today. Explore investment platforms that appeal to you. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more financial and investing content.